The Delhi Police has registered an FIR against Arvind Kejriwal's personal assistant. An FIR has been filed against Bibhav Kumar. And the BJP leaders are asking as to why Arvind Kejriwal has remained silent as far as that assault case is concerned, which took place at the residence of the Delhi Chief Minister here in Delhi, in the civil lines area. The Delhi Police recorded the statement by Swati Maliwal and have filed a case. Now, this comes hours after the National Commission for Women issued summons against Bibhav Kumar. And in a post on X, Swati Maliwal has said, "What happened to me was very bad. The last few days have been very difficult." She has alleged an assault by Bibhav Kumar at the residence of the Chief Minister, which was in fact confirmed by Sanjay Singh of the Aam Aadmi Party, saying that it was a very distressing incident and she was waiting to meet with the Chief Minister when Bibhav Kumar misbehaved with her. The BJP is calling on Arvind Kejriwal to step down from his post as this incident took place at his residence. The BJP leaders are questioning as to why Arvind Kejriwal has remained silent on the issue, but it's Swati Maliwal coming to the defense of the Aam Aadmi Party, asking the BJP not to politicize the issue. Let's listen in to what the BJP had to say.
It is surprising, in fact shocking, that Delhi's Chief Minister Shri Arvind Kejriwal has not spoken a word about his party Member of Parliament Rajya Sabha, Swati Maliwal, who was misbehaved with, beaten up in CM's residence, and she's called up the Delhi police. And the CM has not even acted or responded or spoken about it. Whereas today, I'm being told that in Uttar Pradesh, he was seen walking around with the accused.
We have Ishika joining us to get us more on this. Ishika, first things first, take us to the contents of that statement that's been made by Swati Maliwal.
Well, Divya, yesterday, finally, Delhi police was able to record the statement of Swati Maliwal. And in fact, in her statement, she has given a detailed account of what happened on that day. In fact, she has mentioned, as to how Bibhav Kumar, who is the PA of Arvind Kejriwal, he in fact kicked her, slapped her, punched her, all in the Chief Minister's residence. And what's more important is that Swati Maliwal has mentioned in her statement that all this while, Arvind Kejriwal was present at the Chief Minister's residence. And in fact, in that FIR, she has only named Bibhav Kumar. Now, acting on her statement, now the Delhi police, in fact, has registered an FIR against Bibhav Kumar. They also yesterday went to Bibhav Kumar's residence, but he was not found there. So the Delhi police is trying to track him down. But on the other hand, the Delhi police is also likely to go to Chief Minister's residence to scan for all the CCTV footage and also take the statement of those staff who were present at that day, during this incident happened. But certainly the opposition, they continue to attack Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, especially after Swati Maliwal has mentioned that Arvind Kejriwal was present at that time during this incident happened. So now the BJP questions that he did not take any action and now he is remaining silent regarding the entire incident. Even yesterday in the press conference, when he was asked this question, he ducked this question on Swati Maliwal and passed the mic to Akhilesh Yadav. But we also saw how, in fact, Swati Maliwal has finally tweeted regarding this. She has said that it has been very difficult for her, but she has also now gone ahead, in support, gone ahead and requested the BJP to not politicize the issue. But certainly, the opposition continues to amp up its attack on Arvind Kejriwal, who continues to remain mum on this entire issue, especially after his photo with Bibhav Kumar at the Lucknow airport went viral, and the BJP says that even after saying that strict action will be taken, he is now being seen with Bibhav Kumar at the airport. Over to you.
Right, Ishika, also as per protocol, Swati Maliwal, a medical examination has been conducted on her in order to corroborate with the statements that are being made.
Well, yes, certainly, yesterday in that statement, Swati Maliwal, in fact, had given the detailed account of how, she was assaulted. She claims of assault in her statement. Thus, after, late night, Delhi police also took her to AIIMS Trauma Center for the medical examination. But now, in fact, Delhi police also says that they are going forward with the investigation and they are likely to scan for all the CCTV footage and also take the statements of all, all the staff that were present at that day at the Chief Minister's residence. So certainly, the investigation is proceeding in this case and we'll have to wait and watch as to what more details will come to light. Over to you.